Hello friends, in today's video we will review Lincoln Electric 90 IFC Flux Core Wire Feed Weld-Pak Welder. At the core of the Lincoln MIG Welder 90 MIG is its impressive 120V power, providing ample strength for various welding applications. Whether you're working on a DIY project, at home, or tackling professional tasks, this welding machine ensures a reliable power source. MIG, metal inert gas. Welding involves using a wire welding electrode to melt and join pieces of metal together. This process is known for its speed and versatility, making it suitable for various applications, from automotive repairs to construction projects. One of the standout features of the Lincoln MIG Welder 90 MIG is its user-friendly design. Setting up the machine is a breeze, and the intuitive controls ensure that even beginners can start welding with confidence. If you want to review this product, visit our website. The website link will be found in the description of the video. Please like, subscribe, and share our channel. Thanks.
Perfect.